Cathie Wood's ARK Innovation ETF has been in a free fall for much of the year, down roughly 50% in 2022. Ouch.
Yeah, ouch indeed. But that's everything's been going down. So crypto market, everything. So we're people saying that we're in a recession, but if the market goes down, if all the stocks go down, then it's understandable that her stuff is gonna go down as well. So we'll see what else she has to say.
Growth ETF is significantly off its highs of the pandemic, but there are new signs that investors still have conviction in Wood's flagship fund. Alexandra Semenova joins us now with the latest. And, look, you got to have thick skin to be in ARK right now. But why are people who are in it still excited about it?
Well, I just wanted to point out a few things about Cathie Wood. She's back in the spotlight this week. First and foremost, I want to get to comments that she made this morning in an interview with CNBC. She said that we are in a recession, and she acknowledged that inflation is a problem, which for many of us, it's been a problem. But for Cathie Wood, this is a rare admission that she was wrong. Up until this point, she had been saying that we're in a period of deflation, not inflation. So very interesting to see her walk back on her earlier comments. And then the other point this week that I wanted to make is that her fund just experienced 8 straight days of inflows, which is the longest streak of inflows since March 2021, about $640 million. So investors are still pouring money into the ETF, even as it's been on its way down more than.
Wow, that is quite a lot of money. So therefore, they do believe in Cathie Wood, and they do believe in what she has to say. For $639 million, I mean, you really have to believe in the person that's behind the fund in order to put that much money in there. But when is this recession going to end? We don't know. So we'll just have to wait.
More than 70% from its peak in February 2021.
Yes, she does have loyal followers in, say what you will about where her performance has been. She's has conviction, right, in some of these names she's been investing in. I mean, what does that portfolio look like right now? What is she buying?
She has been buying up Coinbase. She's been buying up a lot of the beaten down names in her fund. She continues to buy Tesla.
Honestly, I'm buying these funds as well because, they're relatively cheap, because everything has gone down so much and they're really good companies and they have really good fundamentals. So it's a buying opportunity, just like early on in the pandemic when everything went down because, the whole country was shut down. But these companies, they had good fundamentals. So therefore, at some point in time, they're going to go back up, and we just have to wait and see. And I agree with Cathie Wood because it's a time to buy.
Tesla, Roku, Zoom, some of these pandemic work from home stocks that haven't been doing so well. But that's actually one of the strong suits about Cathie Wood. She has gotten a lot of criticism for her stock picks and for not acknowledging the risk that her investors are facing. But at the same time, there are investors who look at her and see her as someone who is incredibly certain about her strategy, who, is very confident despite all of the criticism that she's gotten, and they want to allocate to the fund. So that, at the same time, has been what, is driving these inflows to her strategy.